Rican Spanish, ACL cross, Bernie White Apple. He's an 18-month-old, 6-month-old. Today is January 17th, 2025, and this is an update of what we have here at Leonred Farms. Let me throw some grains there. Here on row I, cage 1, we have a black McRae hen, brown red rooster cross. Nice bird. I2, we have a sweater Albany cross. Let me throw some grains there. I'm about to feed them right now, but I just want their attention. I2, Albany rooster, sweater hen cross. I3, it's a 3-pointer. The rooster was a Gilliam Roundhead. Cage 4. We have a Kearney White Hackle, black McRae hen. Kearney White Hackle, black McRae hen. On cage 5, we have a Kearney White Hackle, ACL cross. The rooster is a Kearney White Hackle, and the hen was an ACL. Nice birds. Look at them. Kearney White Hackle, ACL hen, cross. Cage 5 on row I. Cage 6, we have a Puerto Rican Spanish, ACL cross. Puerto Rican Spanish, ACL cross. Puerto Rican Spanish, ACL cross. That's on cage 6. Cage 8, we have a Leonred rooster. No, I'm sorry. Kearney White Hackle rooster, Leonred hen. Kearney White Hackle, Leonred hen. It was a little pulley. I thought I'd cross them, see what I come up with, and this is the result. Kearney White Hackle, Leonred hen. And here we have one of my ACLs. The last older ACL I have left. He's an 18-month-old ACL. 18-month-old ACL. Last one I have left. That's it. Well, on that age, I got some little ones, some 7, 6-month-old, 8-month-old. I still got quite a few of them. But this one is an 18-month-old ACL. Nice bird.